Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have an enhanced risk risk for severe weather today that encompasses northeastern Kansas, northern Missouri, eastern Iowa, far eastern Minnesota, northern Illinois, far northwestern Indiana, most of Wisconsin, and a tiny bit of the UP of upper Michigan. Cities in today's enhanced include Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Kansas City, Missouri, Madison, Wisconsin, and Aurora, Illinois. Alright, we have a slight today covering north central Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, parts of Missouri, central and southwestern Iowa, parts of Minnesota, central Illinois, northern Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and most of Michigan. Cities in today's slate include Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Wichita, Kansas, Toledo, Ohio, and St. Paul, Minnesota. And finally, we have areas in the dark green. Areas in the dark green are in a marginal risk for severe weather today. The marginal, by the way, includes my area. Alright? Cities in today's marginal include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, and Columbus, Ohio. And now to the tornado threat for today. There is a 10% chance of tornadoes today covering northeastern Missouri, eastern Iowa, northwestern Illinois, southeastern Minnesota, and parts of Wisconsin. The 10% tornado risk area today includes Madison, Wisconsin, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Davenport, Iowa, Waterloo, Iowa, and Iowa City, Iowa. We have a 5% tornado risk area today covering parts of Missouri, central Iowa, eastern Minnesota, parts of Illinois, parts of Wisconsin, and a tiny bit of the UP of upper Michigan. The 5% wind risk area today includes Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Des Moines, Iowa, and Rockford, Illinois. Areas in the dark green are in a 2% tornado risk area for today. Alright, the dark green is the 2%. Alright? Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Chicago, Illinois, Kansas City, Missouri, Grand Rapids, Michigan, Aurora, Illinois, and Overland Park, Kansas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is a level 1 of 3 on the tornado intensity index. Alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for strong tornadoes reaching or exceeding EF1 today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for EF1 tornadoes or stronger today. Alright, areas outside the black dashed area, areas outside the black dashed area are mainly EF0. There could still be an EF1 outside the black dashed area, but again, the highest potential for the EF1 or stronger will be within the black dashed area. Cities in the black dashed area today include Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa, Rockford, Illinois, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and Davenport, Iowa. Go to the wind threat for today. Come on, what are you doing? Alright, this thing is... The XPC website has really been getting my nerves lately. Nope. Alright, there it goes. Alright. So, yeah. Alright, so, anyway. A little glitchy, but whatever. There is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses northeastern Missouri, eastern Iowa, eastern Minnesota, most of Wisconsin, the UP of upper Michigan, northern Illinois, and extreme northwestern Indiana. So the 30% wind risk area today includes Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Aurora, Illinois, and Rockford, Illinois. There is a 15% wind risk area today covering north central Oklahoma, eastern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, northern Missouri, central and southwestern Iowa, parts of Minnesota, parts of central Illinois, northern Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and most of Michigan. The 15% wind risk area today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Wichita, Kansas, and Toledo, Ohio. Areas in the brown are in a 5% wind risk area for today. The 5% wind risk, by the way, includes my area. So, the 5% wind risk includes New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, and Columbus, Ohio. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the wind intensity index. Alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force thunderstorm wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or higher. Alright, within the black dashed area. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour. The black dashed area today includes Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Aurora, Illinois, and Rockford, Illinois. Now for the hail threat, there is a 30% chance for hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering northeastern Kansas, northern Missouri, eastern Iowa, west central Illinois, far northwestern Illinois, southwestern Wisconsin, and far southeastern Minnesota. The 30% hail risk today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Overland Park, Kansas, Kansas City, Kansas, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and Topeka, Kansas. There is a 15% hail risk today covering north central Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, parts of Missouri, parts of Iowa, parts of much of Minnesota, much of northern half of Illinois, most of Wisconsin, northwestern Indiana, far western Michigan, and the UP of upper Michigan. The 15% hail risk today includes Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, and Wichita, Kansas. Areas in the brown are in a 5% hail risk today. Alright, the brown is the 5% hail risk. Cities in the 5% hail risk include Detroit, Michigan, Cleveland, Ohio, Toledo, Ohio, Fort Wayne, Indiana, and Lubbock, Texas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright, black dash means the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger within the black dashed, okay? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly inch to 1.5 inches in diameter. Maybe 1.75 inches at max, okay? So, cities in the black dashed area today include Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Wichita, Kansas, and St. Paul, Minnesota. In summary, scattered to numerous severe thunderstorms with potential for large hail in excess of 2 inches in diameter, a few strong tornadoes, and damaging winds with gusts over 75 miles per hour are expected this afternoon and evening across parts of the upper Mississippi Valley and Midwest. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Stay safe in the affected areas today, no matter what risk you're in. Stay safe today, no matter what risk you're in, and I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.